have another question?
Yes, I'd like to get some clarification on the ritual for men. Is this ceremony that was done only for women?
This ceremony?
Yes. Is it only for women?
Yes, but during the time for a man, if a man gets initiation and the man study Ifa, learn Ifa, when it is time for the freedom.
You mean when he's finished with his training with his master?
His master said they will do this processing for in my own compound here, in Ijebu, particularly Ijebu.
Okay, so
in some other, they may not. I will just learn, go like that. But in my compound, we make the Russia, we make the initiation. Are you getting me? For the Awo, that is Isode for a man.
okay.
Isode.
It's called so this can be done for a man as well.
Yes, and we call it Isode, not Apetebi.
Okay, for a woman the ritual is called Apetebi. For a man it is called Isode.
For Awo.
And this ritual is done at when the Awo's completed his training.
Yes.
Why is that ritual done?
So this is the when we say, let's for example now, if you go to school, in university, when you finish your first degree, they will arrange, they will dress you in gown in the university.
Yes.
Dress you in gown, giving you certificate.
Yes.
That you are qualified for so. This Isode is the arrangement to let the other one know that this man has undergo training of FIFA for so year.
Ah, okay. It's like a graduation certificate.
Graduation, thank you.
Okay. And why is that ritual done for women? Why is this ceremony Apetebi? Why is it done for women?
The Apetebi for a woman in Obesa says so. Which says Shenwele Adiawo who divine formula. When during that time no any women, all women are in the same place, in the same town, no men there. Then all the Orisha, other Orisha went there to bring women down to where the men was. They refused. But when Arumla is going, he was asked to make ebo, Arumla make ebo. On getting there, he has one shekere. Reaching there, those women want to run, he just tell them that they should not run. They should wait. He did not come for fight. He come to play with them. Then they started singing. Shenwele, 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 Erele duwa she komanja. Shenwele, Shenwele, Erele duwa she komanja. Shenwele, Shenwele, olóhùn kan gbé kújẹ. Shenwele, Shenwele, olóróró gbẹja jẹ. Shenwele, Shenwele, ìgbà wo ọwọ́ tó ṣì gidi. Shenwele, Shenwele, erele duwa she komanja. Shenwele, Shenwele. When those women saw that Arumla is singing, they followed Arumla. Arumla brought all of them. Then when Arumla saw that he cannot marry all of them, he made Apetebi decision to signify them that they are Arumla wife. All of them have the Idi.
With the Bekude seed.
With the Bekude seed on in the middle of the Ifa bead. Then, once a woman was made Apetebi, that signified her that she's a real wife of Ifa. Then, when it is time, all these ladies want to go and marry another, then there's a ritual also that's supposed to be done. They untie the bracelet, the ide, they untie it. They untie it, handing over them to those other men who want to marry them. Since he had taken those he wanted to take. So, in your culture, when an Apetebi wants to marry another man, she takes the bracelet off before she can be released. For example, now all my daughters have Apetebi initiation. They have their own ide. Once they grow up now, they're ready to go and marry. So they will come, we do the Rusha, the ceremony to untie and handing it over to the person they wanted to go and marry. They may go and make another Apetebi on the Ifa of the person
that she's marrying.
Yes.
So in this ritual, when the woman is initiated as Apetebi, it is a marriage ceremony between the woman and the Ikin Ifa, not the man.
Not the man, provided, for example, now if it is my wife who want to make Apetebi, the Apetebi is between Ifa and me, because it's my wife. But if another woman comes from outside, maybe small, maybe she may any woman may come and say if I said I should go and make my Apetebi. That does not compulsory that the Awo must marry the person. It is Ifa that the ladies marry.
So if any Awo tells a woman who initiates as an Apetebi to his Ifa, if an Awo says that woman must marry him, that is a lie. That is not compulsory.
Provided if the ladies want, they arrange and the lady want, yes.
I see.
It's not compulsory that any Awo that has any ladies that has come to you that you must marry, or any lady that has come to you for Apetebi, you must marry. It's not compulsory.
I see. So the ritual of Apetebi in reality is only a marriage ceremony between the Ikin Ifa of the Babalawo and the woman.
That the Ikin can protect the lady.
Okay. Now this is different from a woman being initiated to Ifa and Ibodu.
Yes.
This is different.
It's really different.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Baba.
Yes.
And I will post this on YouTube for that everyone in the diaspora and in America can see.
All right.
All right. Odabo. Thank you.
Eshe.